Hey guys, it's Kyle from InvestiShare. I'm going to talk about a few things and obviously the Bitcoin price. Right now on the 15-minute chart, we're in a micro formation, descending broadening wedge. These are typically fairly bullish. I can see two things happening, but either way, I still see it breaking to the upside. We could break out to the upside very shortly, or we could play off of this like micro M formation here and go a bit further down and see where it will bring us. It'll bring us right back to the support level that we bounced off of here, and we might see a double bounce, and then that will give us the momentum that we need to break to the upside. This green line right here represents the recent all-time high of the previous cycle. So this has to hold, or we're going to go down to extreme low levels, maybe even like $16,000 per Bitcoin. Hopefully it doesn't lead to that, but if it doesn't, well, yeah, we'll be breaking to the upside off of this, and the technical target for the broadening wedge here is 24,200, which is also in confluence to a level of resistance. So if we hit this, I'd recommend undercutting it a little bit with your order, just to make sure that you get out before any form of resistance drop, or at least move your stop loss into the profit zone once we get around to that point. So you can ride it if we do get above it and use it as support and start climbing to the upside again. There's also a few things that I want to talk to you guys about, just as a warning. Things aren't looking good for Coinbase right now, and they've already announced that they're going to be taking our funds along with them if they go bankrupt. And so I'd recommend maybe even, and this is not financial advice or anything like that, but I just be very careful with Coinbase and leaving your funds with them right now, because things are looking rough, and they did say that they'll be taking our investment if they go down, like they're taking us with them basically. So pay close attention to that, just in case. Maybe move your funds into a different platform to be a little bit more safe. Or I always recommend hardware wallets, because if you don't have the keys, it's not your Bitcoin, right? So just pay close attention to that. Now going over to the TXY, it looks like we're still going to the upside here. We had that momentous bounce off of the W formation here, and we are still on our way to the target. We didn't see the resistance that I was hoping for right here. I was hoping for like some form of double top and then bring us right back into formation, but yeah, that's not happening with the interest rates hiking right now. So we just got to bear with it. No pun intended. All right. Also, I also want to remind you guys that we're having a competition right now. If you share our socials like TikTok, YouTube, all that fun stuff, there's a link down below this video that you can use to get points, and then you can use these points for a chance to win a free ticket into our 3-day trading event, where you get to trade side by side with me. We basically just scalp together, look for entries, exits, all that fun stuff, and then make some money basically. Yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. It's just a waiting game. We gotta wait for the breakout. Do not act without confirmation. First, wait for the break to the upside, or potential break to the downside off of this neckline right here. You can short this if you want to, but it's going to be a fairly high risk short. That was a 4% drop. Everything now that we're at a bear market at these prices, every move is a large move, right? With these percentages. So this is the best time to possibly trade Bitcoin right now. So I'd recommend, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to be I'm increasing the amount of percentage that I'm allocating my profits to holding for my long-term hold. So for example, if I make $200 off a trade, half of that $200 is going to be going towards a limit order to buy Bitcoin at these prices. Because once we get back into the bull run, those profits that you stored aside in Bitcoin, you're going to be extremely happy. You're going to be laughing in money. So that's pretty much everything I got for you guys. If you have any questions about this, you know how to reach me in the Discord, and you have yourself an amazing day. Thanks, guys.